Today, I'm going to show you how to detangle your hair without breakage. So the first thing you want to do is saturate your hair. You can do it under the shower. And if I'm doing it outside, I just make sure the water really penetrates through my hair by using my hand to massage it through my hair. The next thing you want to do is to section your hair into smaller sections. I'm only going to be sectioning my hair into 4 walkable sections today, but normally I'll switch it to like 8 or 6. Now, the product you choose is important. This is the Look Don't Touch by Kyera. This is a very good detangler, and it contains watermelon seed extras, which helps to repair the cuticle damage, softens your hair, and promotes blood circulation. It also contains rice water, which increases hair elasticity and strengthens your hair follicle, reducing the breakage. And it also contains shea butter and aloe to hydrate the hair, and also it gives a slippery consistency. So if your hair doesn't feel so slippery after applying this, you did not apply enough. So just apply enough and spray some water. You can remove the shredded hair from it, and you can see how my comb just easily glides through it. When you have a tangle, you want to take your time and use your rat tail comb to pull out the tangle. You can look in the description area or comment area for the conditioner I used.